Good evening and welcome. We continue looking at the BRATZILLAZ dolls from House of Witches. This is Angelica Sound. On her head, she wears also a bird in a cage, and it glows in the dark. So it's quite dim in my bedroom, and you can see if the bird does have a slight glow to it. So let's start from the headpiece, which is held in by a band with teeth, so it rests securely on Angelica's head. She has pink, soft, long, thick hair with 3 knots on the top of her crown. Here is her face up. She has pink eyes, super thin eyebrows, with detailed curly cues, as she is a witch. She has pierced earrings, drawn eyelashes. She wears a yellow cape that is removable. She has a dress with floral print. This is part of her cape, the lace necktie. And she has some netting on the hem of her mini dress. She has a patchwork over the knee socks with black heels. She is fully articulated on the knees, wrists, elbows, shoulders. Her head can turn and she can sit. Let's flip her on the back. So, from the top, here's her hair. Little curls down the back, a little wavy. And we can take a look at the back of her dress. Again, her clothing is removable. Her cape. Here's the back of her dress. Has some detailing here. It looks like a bustle, a very light bustle. And we're going to give her a 360 turn. Next month in November. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope you decide to subscribe if you haven't yet. Enjoy your evening, and please drop by soon again.